Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a seller account on Etsy. By creating this account, you'll be able to start uploading and selling your own products on Etsy and start making some money online. The first thing you will need to do, if you already have an account, you're going to sign in. If you don't have an account, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to see the option to sign up. And you can do that real quick using your email address, or you can use your Google account or Facebook account. Once you're signed up, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner again. And right where you see your profile icon, you're going to tap on that. Then from there, you're going to see the option sell, and you're going to tap on sell. After you have tapped on sell, you will be redirected to the shop manager. And this is going to be the first icon that you see, or better yet, the first page that you see. From here, you'll be able to choose the language that you want on your shop. You can also choose the shop country, and you can choose the currency. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on save and continue. After tapping on save and continue, you'll be able to choose the name that you want for your shop. And remember that you can choose a name between 4 to 20 characters, no special characters, spaces, or accent letters. So you can see right here, I chose this name, Simple Answers 111. Then you're going to tap on save and continue. After you have tapped on save and continue, you're going to tap on stock your shop. And by tapping on stock your shop, you'll be able to upload your first product. And with Etsy, you can sell almost anything. For example, you could use Canva and you would be able to sell Canva templates. And Canva templates would basically be the templates that you have created on Canva. For example, if I were to go onto canva.com, which is completely free to sign up, and let's say I go onto Canva and I wanted to create some Instagram posts. So I would tap on social media. Then after tapping on social media, I selected Instagram. Then we'll select Instagram posts right here. After you have selected Instagram posts, this page will open up. And I'm going to simply show you how persons are selling Canva templates and how you could do that. Once on Canva, to sell a template, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on share after you have created the template. And by creating a template, it's quite easy and you can take inspiration from these persons. For example, you can see right here, this is a popular template. Let me scroll down and you can see it right here. This one right here is very popular. You can see that it is selling for $6.40 and over 20 persons at the moment have it in their cart. And you can see all they are selling is simply Canva grid right there. And to do that, all you need to do to sell or to get the template, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on share, all you'll need to do now is tap on template link. So this will be the link that you're going to be pasting, that once someone purchases your Canva template, they will get access to this link so they can use it to make different designs. As you can see from the example that I'm showing you for this mockup, so all the person did was create different grids, as you can see right here. So someone else that has an Etsy store that wants to use it for mockup, all they would have to do is simply tap and drag the image that they would like to use to create their mockup. And that's basically it. You can also make money on Etsy by selling Instagram captions. As you can see right here, there are persons that are selling Instagram captions from $21 to $11 or $4.63. So instead of you coming up with captions, for example, if you have an ear extension Instagram page, instead of you puzzling and coming up with different captions, all you need to do is come onto Etsy and you'll be able to purchase 150 captions for your hair extension page, as you can see right here. It also includes an ebook. And you can use ChatGPT or other AI platforms to create stunning captions also that you can sell on Etsy. And you can see that persons are purchasing these captions As you can see, over 20 persons have this feature in their cart at the moment, and you can see that they have gotten tons of review, meaning that they are selling tons of items. You can also use Etsy to, for example, sell Pinterest templates. So not only can you sell Instagram templates, but you can also sell Pinterest template. You can also sell Facebook post templates. And all of these persons are using to make money. For example, you can see this one right here, pink Pinterest pin templates. Let I tap on it so that you can see an example. You can see that you'll get 50 Pinterest pin templates, and you can see how it looks right here if I were to go through their listing. And you can see all they're doing is going onto Canva and creating different pins, and then you simply sell them these templates. So all you do is save the link just like what I showed you, and you're going to add that link to a PDF. And once someone makes a purchase, they will receive the PDF with the link, and then all they'll need to do is go onto Canva, and from there they can drag and paste their image, or they can use the template that you have sold them. And to continue with your uploading on Etsy, all you will need to do, you're going to tap on add photo, and from there you could add the mockup. After you have added your mockup, if you would like to add a video, you can do that. Then you're going to scroll down and you can fill in the title. And let's say you're selling a digital product, just like what I recommended earlier. Let's say you're selling a sticker or you're selling a Canva template. All you'll need to do is tap right where you see digital. Then from there, you're going to fill in the description. After you have filled in the description, you're going to scroll down and you can add the tags, as Etsy is also search based, so you want to ensure that you have tagged the item or the product that you are selling correctly. So once someone goes on the Etsy homepage and search, your item will pop up in the correct category. Then you are going to enter the price, and you are going to also enter the quantity of the item. After you have done that, all you need to do is tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then from there, you're going to create, or you're going to sign up to the different payment options, and you're going to set up billing, and that's it. And you can also sell other stuff on Etsy. For example, you can sell Airbnb welcome book, and again, you can make this on Canva. And by scrolling down, you can see right here that there are persons that are making a lot of money by doing this. You can see the bestseller right here. But let's check out this one. You can see that this person is selling their books for $12.74, and over 20 persons have it in their cart. And you can see that they have sold tons of it, as they have over 325 reviews. And again, it's quite easy to make. You can make it on Canva, as this person is using Canva, as you can see right here. There are numerous tutorials on YouTube showing you how to do this. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and overall motivating, to let you know that you can make simple stuff and make some money online using Etsy. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you're going to do one of these that I recommended on Etsy, let me know in the comment section. Or if you have something else in mind, you can also let me know in the comment section. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And be sure to hit that like button.